Saira. Good morning, children. Hi, how are you? Hope you are all safe at home. You are all fine and you are all happy, isn't it? You are all happy at home and you are having a long vacation. So after this long vacation, we are going to study. So I am Seema. I am taking maths for you. I am your new maths teacher. I am going to teach you maths. You know, maths, it is very simple subject and it is very easy to study, isn't it? You all like to study maths. എല്ലാവർക്കും maths പഠിക്കാൻ ഇഷ്ടമല്ലേ? Yes or no? Yes, you all like to study maths. So together we can study maths and I will teach you and you should cooperate with me. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം നിങ്ങൾ എന്നെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? കുറേ പേരൊക്കെ എന്നെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം നിങ്ങൾ UKG-യിലായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മാത്സ് എടുക്കുന്നത് ഞാനാണ്. ഓക്കെ. ഇൻ ദ ലാസ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് ഐ ഹാവ് ഗിവൻ യു സം ഹോംവർക്ക്സ്. എന്തായിരുന്നു ഹോംവർക്ക്? ഹോംവർക്ക്സ് തന്നത് നമ്പർ നെയിംസ് പഠിക്കാനാണ്. 1 തൊട്ട് 10 വരെയുള്ള നമ്പർ നെയിംസ് പഠിക്കാൻ. അപ്പോൾ ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ഹാവ് ഡൺ ഇറ്റ്. യു ആർ ഓൾ വെരി ഗുഡ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ആൻഡ് യു ഹാവ് സെൻഡ് മീ ദ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ഓൾസോ. സോ ഐ തിങ്ക് യു ആർ തറോ വിത്ത് യുവർ activity, that is you have studied the number names from 1 to 10 correctly. So we can do an activity based on that number names. Now you are all thorough with your number names, isn't it? All of you have studied the number names correctly. So I have written the number and the number name, but the number name is not complete. You have to fill the space with the correct spelling. We can do that. Will you help me? Say yes or no. Yes, we can do it together. The first number I have written is 4. Do you know the spelling of 4? Yes. What is the spelling? Okay, F-O-U-R. We can write O here and R in this blank space. So the spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. Okay, is it clear to you? You have studied it, but I am just revising. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. The next number I have written is 9. What's the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E. So we can write N, the I is already there, then N-E. N-I-N-E is the spelling of 9. Next number 7. I have written 7, but the spelling is not complete. So we can write the spelling. First it starts with S. S-E-V is there and the remaining two spellings are E and N. Spelling of 7. You say with me, spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N. Next spelling is 3. What's the spelling of 3? You all know that. T-H-R-E-E. So we can write T-H-R-E-E. 3. The spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E. Next we can write 10. What's the spelling of 10? T-E-N. So we can write E here because E is not written here. We can write E. So the spelling of 10 is T-E-N. Now next is 5. What's the spelling of 5? 5 is F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. This is the spellings and you know the number names correctly from 1 to 10. If anyone is not getting that, you try to write and study. Number names ഇപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും തറവായിട്ട് അറിയാവുന്ന ടീച്ചർ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഇനി നമുക്ക് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിക്കുക. ഇതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാവുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ടീച്ചറെ കൂടെ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാം. എല്ലാവരും റെഡി അല്ലേ? So we can start counting from 1 to 20. Please count along with me. So we can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after 10, what is the number? It is 11. So we can start counting from 11 to 20 again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you should study the counting of numbers from 1 to 20 without any mistake. If you are having any mistake, please learn from the home. Now you know counting of numbers. You know the numbers to count from 1 to 20. Now I am taking some pencils in my hand. Okay, you can see I have some pencils. I don't know the correct number of pencils. ഈ ടീച്ചറുടെ കയ്യിൽ എത്ര പെൻസിൽ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ടീച്ചർക്ക് അറിയില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിതൊന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. എത്ര എണ്ണം ഉണ്ടെന്ന് അറിയാനായിട്ട് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ടു നോ ദ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് പെൻസിൽസ് ഇൻ മൈ ഹാൻഡ്, വാട്ട് ഷുഡ് വി ഡു? വി ഷുഡ് count the numbers. So starting from 1, you also count with me. Along with me, you should also count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the number of pencils in my hand? It is 8. There are 8 pencils in my hand. How do I get the answer? By counting from 1 to the last pencil, I got the answer as 8. ഇതിങ്ങനെ 1 തൊട്ട് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ എത്ര പെൻസിൽ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് കിട്ടി. So for getting the number of items in my hand, I counted from 1 to 8 and there are 8 pencils. Now I am taking another set of things that I am having some chalks in my hand. Okay, I am having some chalks, different colored chalks I am having, but I don't know the number of things. So to get the number, what will I do? I will count. So we can start. You also count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of chalks in my hand is 5 and what was the number of pencils? It was 8. So to count, you should be thorough with the counting from 1 to 10 and also from 11 to 20. Dear students, now you know to count from 1 to 10. So we can do an activity. In the board, I have drawn some pictures and we can see how many pictures are there. First one, you can see trees. How many trees are there? You can count 1 and 2. What's the number of trees in the board? It is 2 and we can write it this in rectangle. The 2. 2 is the number of trees in that question. And next is I have drawn some balloons. To get the number of balloons, what will we do? We should count the numbers 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 balloons. We can write 3 here. And last question is about the stars. How many stars are there? Okay, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 stars are there and we write it as 5. So depending on counting, we are asked to count the numbers and we should write the answer in this rectangles. I am giving you a homework. Now you know to count the numbers and the order of the numbers also you know. So I am giving you a homework. You write the question like this in your notebook and fill in the blank circles with the correct number. ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതാം. എന്നിട്ട് ബ്ലാങ്ക് ആയിട്ടുള്ളതിൽ കറക്റ്റ് നമ്പർ എഴുതാം. Then you send it to me to my WhatsApp number. So write the question like this and fill the spaces. Also, you study the number names from 11 to 20. All of you know the spellings from 11 to 20. So, you study it thoroughly. So, dear students, I have given 2 homeworks and what all things we have learned today? We have learned to count the numbers from 1 to 20. Then, we have learned the number names from 1 to 10 and also to count the number of things. So, please watch this. Study carefully, study thoroughly and do the homework and send to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.